I'm trying to stay on top of my grind. You can show me some signs. I'm trying hard just to see what I find. I'm dropping down to my knees and I'm crying. I'm embarrassed when I blush and I'm feeling my skin flush. So I'm throwing my hands up as I give it all up to my God. He is my master chief, and I'm giving thanks every time I ask the masterpiece. Still shouting that I'm grateful, thanks to God 'cause I'm thankful. I'm still a gentleman, I wasn't raised in the same stuff. Shouts out to C3, and I'm listening to every word they yelling at me. Hey, God is gracious, He thinks that I'm the judgmental shake this, so all you critics take this as I kick back. Miracles on deck, there's some power in my prayer. I ain't scratching yeah. Can somebody, anybody save me? Save me. I'm feeling some weight on my shoulders lately. Demons, they trying to take me. Jesus, come and save me. Jesus, come and save me. You call it luck, I call it a blessing. Ain't no question, I'm growing stronger with every good reflection. I'm a warrior now, living it right like Paul the apostle. I'm fighting the good fight. I'm trying to do it all over years and got nowhere. Always thought the struggle that I went through were no fair, but what I didn't realize, I was carrying my cross. And once I bounced back, I was the queen. I lost the truth and second best it's all about Holy Spirit. I'm constantly in the kitchen. He blessed me with the best. Set the straight up blood and I learned to stop. Now it's deep in the tear. I was wrong, and wrong, and now I'm bound. I was the sun, there was the sun. Love me, no matter what I had done. Now I'm doing things that he can give me. And if they added to my life, he can do the same for you. Yeah. Thank you, Jesus. If you add a low in life, he can do the same for you. Feel free to cry out, raise your hands, please believe. He's waiting for you to shout. Can somebody, anybody save me? Save me. I'm feeling some weight on my shoulders lately. These demons, they try to take me. Jesus, come and save me. Jesus, come and save me. I felt so weak, but with him I feel so strong. I'm telling you, if you believe that Jesus will take you on, yeah. Every day I'm in some pleasure, lifting up the Holy Spirit, just over the Savior. Shout out to my cousin Gay, plus the family, plus the friends that I call family today. Let them help you grow in faith, and you open up your heart and take your sin away. To make the man of the world work through the serious ways. I beg you because it's working clearer than the 80s. This plan I can't believe it, cause it's in the good book of Ephesians, chapter 1, verse 9. Now take a look. Thank God for the stone, got me living with sun, running through with a thought. He got me thinking the word of Sunday, not to miss it Wednesday. Yeah, it's on the practice, worship team. You decided past the service, you decided at the same time, feeling out and out. I'm thinking that it's past the service. That's the Holy Spirit preaching. Please believe it. Jesus be the sin, Lord, forgive me for my sins. Father God, I pray. Can somebody, anybody save me? Save me. I'm feeling some weight on my shoulders lately. These demons, they try to take me. Jesus, come and save me. Jesus, come and save me.